As I walk through my garden, I want to take you on a journey. This is a very special journey for me, and it began a long time ago, before I even knew it would become a part of my life work. So from childhood, I've always had this deep love for earth. I used to find joy in getting my hands dirty, planting alongside my dad, especially corn and peas. That was my first taste of connection to the soil. And as I grow older, even as a teenager, I'd take pride in making our yard beautiful. I'd plant flowers, I'd cut the grass, I'd trim back the edges, and I'd just give it the love that it needed. But it wasn't until I became a mom that I realized gardening was more than just a passion. It was part of who I am. Through the years, my study in complementary healthcare, beauty, aromatherapy, holistic living, herbalism, and hair care, and many more have all brought me full circle right back to the soil. That's when I began planting not just for beauty, but with a purpose. Purpose rooted in healing, nurturing, and balance. I started this herbal garden not just for me, but for my children, so that one day they can look back, watch these videos, and find answers, support, and comfort for their mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. This channel is my living legacy, a video diary, a gift to my kids and to you all. I find joy helping people with skin issues, emotional imbalances, hair and scalp conditions, and even lifestyle challenges, all by using what I grow, harvest, and create here in my garden. And I've even seen the transformation not just in them, but in myself. So I want at this time I invite you to walk with me as I introduce you to some of my favorite herbal allies. Lemon Balm, which is my absolute favorite. St. John's Wort, it's a new herb for me. Yarrow, nasturtium, sage, marjoram, thyme, basil mint, each one with its own story, own healing properties, and use in medicine and beauty products. I lovingly create these with joy. Throughout the series, I'll be sharing how I plant, harvest, and transform these herbs into natural remedies, skincare, and hair care products. I'll even share real testimonials with you and stories from people that I've helped along the way. But most importantly, I'm building a community, one that supports, uplifts, and grows together. So please, if my message resonates with you, help me liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let's reach those moms, caregivers, and everyday people who just need a bit of nature, nurture, and knowledge in their lives. I'm Nicola, but you can please call me Nix. I'm your holistic therapist and plant ally, and together we are going to bring this garden to life. A new client linked me up on the 6th of March. Say his hair is falling out, it's thinning, and his scalp is itching like crazy. So I tell him to come let me see, and then I can tell him how I can help him. So I come over, I look on him scalp, and I realize that it's dry, irritated, and it looked like it really a fall out, a thin out. So I introduce him to my Nettle and horsetail oil, and also my Nettle and horsetail High Priestess Crown Rust spray, which that's gonna start, the regenerated process. 9 days after I come back, hair start filling and the itch ease up. So I ask him if him want to try the shampoo. So I'm say yeah, and I love to put that in my routine. Boom. Today the 22nd, him send me a picture. Look on him hair full up. Just 7 days after using the Nettle and horsetail shampoo, And him also use the High Priestess mist and the crown oil. Look on here, look different, people. So if you struggle with hair loss, itching or thinning, me have the crown rust growth system for on the right yourself. So comment below and tell me if you need results like this.
Yeah, he's doing really well. He's really, really, really well. It's just I need to carry on so I can get the rest of them little spots, because there'll be like 1 or 2 spots I say hasn't got, the hair still small, is still just trying to grow. So once I hit them spots as well, then hopefully it should all be covered with hair.
So this is a quick update of baby using our baby crown oil regen elixir. This is day 6 and 7, and his head has cleared up so much. You'd never believe he had an issue on the left hand side. We're just working on the back right now where we have that little spot, and then he's good to go.